Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore. This is another episode of EthAnswers. I'm here with my brother-in-law Reggie. He's going to be using our molding sander kit to sand all of his wainscoting for the inside of the house. So basically the question Reggie wants to know is pretty simple. How do you use the molding sander? Which direction should the head spin and which direction should you push the wood through? So there's a couple different ways you can use it. When you're putting the wood underneath, which is how we're going to do it, you always want the head spinning, the top of the head spinning towards you, so that if you were to let go of the board, it won't come back and hit you, it would rather go that direction. So you want it spinning with the direction you're pushing it through. You can do it two different ways. You can push it underneath, but if you prefer, you could also go up top. Now, up top is kind of nice sometimes when you're doing something that's not quite as consistent. Because if one area needs to be sanded a little bit more than another, you can stay in that spot, go back and forth a little bit, then carry on. But for this application, we're going to go underneath. So, yeah, let's sand it, Reg. So, where's the plug? I'll let you turn it on here. So if you want to feed it through, and I'll catch it up. Alright, so we'll do one more pass. We'll flip it around. Alright, so the only other thing we could do, and we're not, if we wanted to get that angle a little bit better, we could sand in this direction and go down like that. We're not going to go to all that effort, but that's another option there too. That pretty well covers it. If anybody else has any other questions, you know what to do. Email me at info@stockroomsupply.com, or you can comment on this video. Thanks, Reg.